we are going to discuss about the Adobe Photoshop. So basically, what is Adobe Photoshop? It is the official image editing software of Adobe. Adobe Photoshop can create, edit, manipulate digital image that can be used for web as well as other media. So basically, what Photoshop does is it is basically used to manage color information and enhance the image quality and generate the images that can be used for any digital posters, then websites, etc. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's start with the Photoshop. So as you can see my screen, I am using Photoshop 2021 version. Okay, I have just now first we are going to see the first step, that is starting with the Photoshop. How to open an image in the Photoshop. Okay, so what I have done is I will start from the beginning. So first of all, this is the logo of Photoshop 2021. It will just initialize and load all the features of Photoshop. You can simply download the free version of Adobe softwares by downloading the Adobe Creative Cloud. Nowadays, the 7 days trial is available. After that, you need to purchase and use the Photoshop or any other Adobe tools. So, first we are going to see how to open an image. So, for that, we need to go in the file menu, and that we need to go to open. Okay, and then we need to select any image. Okay, if you want to manipulate the image, you will select the image. Now what if you want to draw something? Then you have to go to file, just a minute, yeah, so file, then you have to select new. Okay, so it is the default, it will show you the default photo size, that is 7 by 5 inch. And if you want to change the layout of your Photoshop size, then you can just edit the width, height, okay, resolution, okay, then color mode. Basically every image is made up of RGB color, that is red, green and blue color. So first is image size and resolution. Okay, so in order to produce high quality image, it is important to understand how the pixel data of image is measured and displayed. So first of all, it is the pixel dimension. So as I have told you, that we can adjust the width and height. You can change the orientation, that is portrait, or you want the landscape mode. Okay, then you can set the resolution. Higher the resolution you keep, then higher the quality of your image will be. Okay, then you can select it from RGB. You, if you want the white and black color combination, it is grayscale image, we call it CMYK color. Okay, then next is the lab color and so on. We will understand one by one in the later sessions. Okay, these are all the settings you can do for your customized Photoshop size. Okay, you can select your background, you can say palette or screen or background. You can set the color over here. Okay, then in advanced option you can see color profile, then pixel aspect, square pixels, or all these are the advanced things. You just don't worry about it. Every time if you want to set your customize, just change width, height and resolution. Okay, and if you want your image to be grayscale or everything, you can just change it. Okay, so just I will show you one. You can rename your Photoshop. Okay, so Photoshop size, we will just rename it as first. It is our first, means first, and I will just simply click on the create button. So it will just show you a blank background. Okay, you can just click on the layers over here. You can see it's set as the background. If you press Ctrl J, it will create the duplicate layer. As you can see, it has created a duplicate layer. Okay, if we made any changes, the background will be as it is as white, and we are just making the changes in the copied layer. Okay, you can simply do the right click, and you can do any type of changes. So here we will go one by one. Okay, now whatever I will do, just like I want to draw something, I can just select the brush and I can move over it. Okay, I can draw anything I want. Okay, I can do anything on this whiteboard. Okay, if I want to change color, I will show everything on the later sessions. You can select the color of your screen and everything. So this is how we created the new customized, we can say, the background. Okay, and now instead of background, if I want um, image, okay, I will just not save it, and I will go in the open. Okay, and then I will be selecting the image I want, and I will be clicking on the open. Okay, so hope you are observing each step I am doing. Okay, so this is the image that is we have opened. So hope you have understood how to open the image. Okay, you can open your customized image, or you can select the image that you want to manipulate. So this was the first session. Okay, and the first video of Photoshop, basic video, we can say. I've already downloaded the advanced videos already, but this was the basic Photoshop video for the beginners. So hope you have understood what is Photoshop and how to open the customized image, or we can say background, and the already image that you want to manipulate, and how to open it. Okay, so this was for the video, basic video 1. Hope you will like and share the videos of Photoshop. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video of basic Photoshop.